Hello and welcome to Timesavers, a series where I try to help you be more efficient. In this episode, I'm going to show you how I made this, and all of these assets modeled, textured under an hour using a single texture. If you're a single person or small team working on a stylized or low poly project and you need to make a lot of assets and variations, like if you're making a forest for instance, this method will save you a lot of time and pain. Well, if you're an indie game dev, not sure about pain. Well, let's move on. Let's harvest the time-saving power of gradients. So first, we'll need a gradient. You can find hundreds of color schemes on the internet. But to make things clear, let's boot up Photoshop or any 2D program of your choice. Pick two colors, a light and a darker value, and make a gradient. Try to shift the hue of your lighter or darker color so it's not just a value change. And since we're trying to be more efficient, you can add more than one gradient on a single texture sheet, like this, or even this. Now, you're free to model anything you need and not worry about textures. Think about shapes, variations, and the style you're going for. Once you're done, let's apply our texture. Here, I'll be using Max, but the same thing can be done in any 3D software. Apply the texture, then edit the UVs of your model. Apply a planar mapping and move parts of the model to the appropriate gradient on your texture. That's it. If you need a specific pattern, like this bark or the wood grain, you'll need to model that in. These days, geometry is cheaper than texture memory, and it's faster to model something so simple and will hold up better up close to the camera than a lower resolution texture. Be smart, break and move parts of your model's UVs, like the top of the sign panels or this broken branch to achieve the specific effect you're going for, like faking lights or the wood grain. I'll have these models available for downloads if you're curious or you just want to check them out. Using this method, you can quickly iterate, create variations, or even control the look by changing the gradient. In a game engine using masks to control a particular gradient, you could shift its hue in real time, changing the leaf colors from green to orange at runtime to simulate seasons, or color swapping an enemy character, requiring no extra texturing work from you. I hope you found this useful. Share, like, and subscribe if you haven't already. Take a look at the links below for more info, free stuff, and see how you could help support the channel. If you have any questions, do feel free to ask them in the comments, and I'll see you guys in the next one.